About this channel disclaimer. The content provided on this channel is not financial advice and is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Welcome. My name is Rees, and this is my channel Echo and Vision. If you're interested in 1. Earning more money. 2. Managing debt effectively. 3. Building passive income streams. 4. Investing. 5. Personal finance tips. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. All videos are animated by me under the Echo and Vision brand. My goal is to simplify complex financial topics, making them easy to understand and fun to watch. Note: there are countless ways to make money, and success depends on your skills, interests, and available resources. Stay tuned for actionable insights and engaging content to help you on your financial journey. Generating daily passive income is an attractive financial goal, but it requires upfront effort, investment, or creativity. Here's a detailed breakdown of strategies for creating daily passive income streams. 1. What is passive income? Passive income is money earned with minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. Unlike active income, e.g., a 9-to-5 job, passive income allows you to earn while you sleep. However, most passive income streams require initial investments, be it time, money, or resources. 2. Types of daily passive income streams. A. Investment-based passive income. 1. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks from reputable companies. These stocks pay regular dividends, e.g., quarterly, providing consistent income. Examples: Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, or ETFs like VYM or SCHD. 2. Real estate, rental income. Purchase properties and rent them out. REITs. Real estate investment trusts let you earn rental income without owning property. Platforms: Fundrise, Realty Mogul. 3. Bonds and fixed income investments. Government or corporate bonds pay regular interest. Treasury bills or municipal bonds are low-risk options. 4. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. Keep money in accounts offering daily interest accrual. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Invest in platforms like LendingClub or Prosper, earning daily or monthly interest. B. Business-based passive income. 1. E-commerce automation. Drop shipping. Create an online store that fulfills orders automatically. Amazon FBA. Sell products via Amazon. Amazon handles shipping and logistics. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products, services online and earn a commission for each sale. Best for bloggers, YouTubers, or social media influencers. 3. Online courses. Create a course on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Earn passive income as people enroll and complete your course. 4. Print on demand. Design products like t-shirts or mugs and sell them through platforms like Redbubble, Printify, or Merch by Amazon. C. Digital asset-based passive income. 1. Royalties. Earn from intellectual property like books, music, or photos. Platforms: Amazon Kindle, for books, Shutterstock, for photos. 2. YouTube or podcast monetization. Create videos or podcasts that generate daily ad revenue. Focus on evergreen content for long-term passive income. 3. Mobile apps or software. Develop an app or software solution that generates income via subscriptions or ads. 4. Blogging with ad revenue. Monetize a blog using Google AdSense or Mediavine. D. Cryptocurrency-based passive income. 1. Staking. Lock your cryptocurrency in staking platforms to earn daily rewards. Examples: Ethereum, Cardano, or Polkadot. 2. Yield farming. Provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges and earn interest. 3. Play to earn, P2E, games. Engage in blockchain games that reward players with cryptocurrency or NFTs. E. Miscellaneous passive income ideas. 1. Create a membership program. Offer exclusive content on platforms like Patreon or Substack. 2. Vending machines or ATMs. Set up vending machines or ATMs in high-traffic areas. 3. Car advertising. Rent out your car's exterior for advertisements through services like Rapify. 4. Sell digital templates. Design templates for resumes, presentations, or planners and sell them on Etsy or Canva. 3. Steps to build daily passive income streams. 1. Assess your resources, time, money, skills, and existing assets. Determine the best strategy. 2. Start small. Test low-cost options like affiliate marketing or blogging before scaling up. 3. Automate processes. Use technology to minimize effort, e.g., scheduling tools, payment systems. 4. Diversify income streams. Avoid relying on one source. Spread risk across multiple streams. 5. Track and optimize. Regularly review performance and make adjustments for maximum efficiency. 4. Benefits of daily passive income. 1. Financial freedom. Reduces reliance on active work. 2. Scalability. Potential to grow income exponentially. 3. Stability. Provides a cushion during economic downturns. 5. Challenges and risks. 1. Initial investment. Many streams require upfront money or time. 2. Maintenance. Even passive income streams require periodic updates. 3. Market risk. Investments can lose value due to market fluctuations. 6. Example scenarios. 1. Minimal investment. Start a blog and monetize with affiliate links. 2. Moderate investment. Invest $10,000 in dividend stocks to earn daily payouts. 3. High investment. Purchase a rental property for consistent rental income. 7. Closing thoughts. Building daily passive income streams takes effort and patience initially but offers immense long-term benefits. Choose a combination of strategies that align with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your passive income grow.